Did you just look down at the neck of your Roborock Dyad and spot a split in the plastic? If your suction is gone and there's a crack in the pipe, you are officially dealing with a broken hose on your Roborock Dyad. The problem comes down to physics. Every time you tilt the handle back to clean, that internal hose stretches and flexes. Over time, that constant movement causes the material to fatigue and snap right at the pivot point. Don't just tape it up and hope for the best. A broken hose leads to massive suction loss and causes a dirty water leak inside the machine. If that water reaches the motor or motherboard, your vacuum is toast. But don't worry, Robocare has the solution. At Robocare, our certified technicians specialize in the delicate repair of high-end wet-dry vacuum systems. We know the Dyad Pro architecture inside and out. Since this specific break often leads to dangerous internal leakage, a simple DIY patch job often isn't enough to save the machine. We utilize precision disassembly tools to safely access the pivot mechanism without damaging the plastic housing. We thoroughly inspect the motor and electronics for hidden corrosion, then replace the compromised part with a genuine component. We essentially rebuild the water delivery system to ensure it is watertight and tougher than when it left the factory. We don't just fix the leak, we restore the reliability. But don't just take our word for it. Let's put this machine to the test and look at the difference after Robocare. Full suction is back, the leaks are gone, and this Dyad is devouring messes just like it did on day one. That is the Robocare standard. Ready to get your cleaning power back? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.